In this session, we will be learning about demonstrate garage, operating procedure of air compressor, car washer, grease gun, oil spray gun, arbor press and hydraulic press. At the end of this session, you will be able to know the requirement to service a vehicle in the garage and the operating procedure of air compressor, car washer, grease gun, oil spray gun, arbor press and hydraulic press. To demonstrate servicing of vehicle in the garage, ensure you are equipped with trainee's toolkit, measuring tape, grease gun, oil spray gun, car air compressor, car washer, arbor press, hydraulic press, cotton waste and soap oil. The procedure to be followed while using air compressor in the garage is as follows. Check the oil level. Check the belt's tension connecting the motor and the compressor's pulley. Ensure that the belt gauge is fixed in its position. Drain the water through the drain plug and tighten the drain plug. Inspect the electrical connections visually for looseness, disconnections or cuts. Switch on the compressor. Observe the sound of the compressor. If any abnormal sound is found, stop the compressor immediately, then consult your instructor. Switch off the compressor. Hold the hose pipe and open the cock. Use compressed air wherever needed. Close the cock after using the compressed air. Here are the steps to follow while washing the car. Check the oil level. Check the belt tension. Check the belt gauge for its position. Inspect the electrical connection visually for looseness, disconnections or cuts. Open the water tank. Check the water level. Hold the gun before starting the car washer. Switch on the car washer and adjust the pressure gauge for the required pressure. Open the water gun. Check the water jet and adjust for force and spray at an angle to body panel. After completing the cleaning, stop the car washer. Close the water intake cock to stop the water supply. Let us have a look at the operating procedure of grease and oil spray gun. While operating grease gun, take help of your instructor and select the correct grease gun nipple according to the vehicle. Check visually the grease nipple holder for any damage. Fill up the gun with the specified grease. Close the grease gun and operate the lever till the grease comes out continuously from the nipple with pressure. Use the gun for the required purpose. When using oil spray gun, check visually the oil spray gun nozzle, nozzle holder, operating lever, air hose for any damage. Fill the spray gun with SAE 20W/40 and kerosene mixture in the ratio of 1:20. Connect the oil spray gun to the quick release coupler. Operate the oil spray gun. See that the oil is sprayed at pressure and spray over panel joints and moving part only. Close the air hose connections and take out the oil spray gun. Next, let us learn about the operating procedure of arbor press and hydraulic press. When using arbor press, check for easy movement of the operating lever and rack. If necessary, lubricate. Select the plate according to the work. Place the component on the plate. Press the work slowly and listen for abnormal noise. While using hydraulic press, clean the press. Check the oil level if necessary. Top up with hydraulic oil. Check the hydraulic press for its free function and leakage. Lock the cylinder plunger releasing knob. Adjust the bed to the required height so that after placing the job, there will be 100 mm clearance between the plunger and the bed. Align the anvil according to the job. Place the job on the anvil. Select the distance piece in such a way that while pressing the shaft or bush, it does not touch the body. Minimum 10 mm gap to be given between the plunger and the distance piece. Place the distance piece on the shaft or bush. Ensure that it does not touch the body. Operate the low pressure lever and make the plunger to have a contact on the job. Operate the heavy pressure lever. Observe the load on the gauge and the job simultaneously. Ensure the job comes out gradually. If the load exceeds more than the specified limit, stop the pressing. Always ensure safety while working with the service equipment. Shield brittle parts such as bearings to protect against flying parts. After finishing the work, loosen the plunger releasing knob. Remove the job and clean. We have reached the end of this session on Demonstrate Garage Operating Procedure of Air Compressor, Car Washer, Grease Gun, Oil Spray Gun, Arbor Press and Hydraulic Press. By now, you should be able to get a clear knowledge about the requirement to service a vehicle in the garage and the operating procedure of air compressor, car washer, grease gun, oil spray gun, arbor press and hydraulic press.